Hello guys, good evening. Ayan po ang ating matay salad guys. Kapo nila yan, matay salad. Yan po ay lettuce lang guys. Tsaka po potato, eggplant, na pinirito guys. Tsaka po quinoa. Tapos yung pinogremit guys yan. Tapos ang sauce po niyan guys ay yogurt lang. Tsaka mayonnaise. Tsaka po konting ano lang yan guys, mustard, tsaka garlic. Yan guys, blender lang po. Yan ang sauce niya guys. Tapos lalagyan lang po natin siya ng, yan guys, yung noodles ng ninja guys, yan, yung toasted. Yan po ay medyo mahanghang. Yan guys, oh. Yan guys, oh. Yan lang yan po guys. Yan. Sarap-sarap niya guys. Ano. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.